Hello to all. Today I am happy to present you the property with the most desirable location here on the coast, just in front of the sea, with amazing and unobstructed sea views. Please welcome. Just the sound of the sea and the privacy. This is gorgeous. Very spacious and comfortable living room with a dining area and with installed modern wardrobes. And now we are in the very spacious and comfortable master bedroom, where every day you will have this unique opportunity to wake up with this lovely sound of the sea and direct stunning sea views. The master bedroom can boast by installed and very spacious wardrobes and by the large bathroom and suite with a lot of natural light. The kitchen is totally reformed with a high quality and modern materials. This apartment has 2 bedrooms more. One of the bedrooms has a bathroom and suite, and the other guest bedroom has a bathroom with a shower. Please have a look. The complex Granados del Mar has an ideal beachfront location with a direct exit to the beach and to the beach promenade. It has 2 outside summer swimming pools, indoor heated pool, gymnasium and sauna.